Hey y'all, this is Jeff with Atlantic Arcade Sales and Service Repair, and I have just finished up this great Galaga with the Ultimate VH package. This one is going to have one player with the trackball, and this is one cool package. Y'all plays a lot of cool games. I love this package. You know, not only do you have the basic games, but this is what I call the VH with vertical and horizontal games. So you've got great vertical games. Junior Pac-Man, Donkey Kong, all the other ones, and but you've also got crazy horizontal games like Excite Bike. You know, there's just some really cool games up in here. Jungle King, Jungle Hunt. That's Nintendo Golf. You've also got the male version too. There's Mario, Moon Patrol, Missile Command. So there's Pac-Man, Pac-and-Pals, Pac-Man Plus. Pac-Man. So not only do you have the great vertical games, but you've got some really incredible horizontal games and loads of fun. And as I said, this one comes with the trackball too. And there's some really cool trackball games. I don't know there's really any I could do with one hand. I could try for a second. Oh. There's the bees. Oh. Oh. So anyway, to get out of any of these games, I'm just going to push player 1 and player 2. Now I can go back to the menu. And not only do you have Donkey Kong, but you've also got the Donkey Kong Pauline edition, where she's actually saving Mario. There's Excite Bike, so many cool games, and you've even got the special Taliban Galaga, where you're shooting Osama bin Laden and the Taliban. So it's really a cool setup with a lot of cool games. I'll try to shoot a video a little bit later on. It's just hard to do some of them with one hand. It's just hard to do. So it's just a ton of cool games in here. Satan's Hollow. Look, you've even got Russian Attack, Sinistar, and this has a really cool version. With there's really something in the glass when you did Space Invaders. This color was actually in the glass. So this is a really cool version where you get that. So you got Space Invaders Deluxe. Of course, everybody loves Super Mario. There's Zaxxon and Super Zaxxon, Xebius, Time Pilot. There's Timber and Tapper, and you've also got, there's another one that's in here. You got a Timber Tapper, and there's Root Beer Tapper. So this is the one that they put out in the Budweiser cabinet. Then you've got the other one here as well. Really cool Zookeeper, phenomenal game. I don't know if I can do this one either. I missed it. Just tons of cool games. And of course you got Asteroids, which is something hard to find in the upright, especially in the then of course there's Excite Bike. What a cool game. Donkey Kong Jr., Donkey Kong 3, Dig Dug 1 and 2's on here. Frogger's on here, Frenzy. And of course you got Galaga, the cabinet that it's in. Trying to do these one-handed. Oh. Not too bad one-handed. Y'all, you can get this game and any of them, you know, Christmas is around the corner. So you better start thinking about getting deposits in, getting cabinets ready. And to get your game on, give me a call. 843-450-0171. You can get your game on today.